In today's video, you will learn how to add a notification bar to your WordPress website using MailOptin. To begin, we'll go to MailOptin on the left, hover and click on Opt-in Campaigns. And here we're going to go ahead and add a new opt-in. On the right, we'll select the notification bar category, and we'll go ahead and choose one of the 3 templates available. We're going to use this one, but first I'm going to go ahead and name it. Now we'll select the theme. And that is going to take us to the opt-in builder where we can go ahead and customize it. So we'll see a preview of our notification bar at the top, and we have our settings on the left. So here, for example, we can go to design to add a display effect. In addition to that, we can change our background color, our border color, as well as custom CSS. And if we go back, I'm going to show you that you can simply click on any element on the opt-in to open its settings on the left-hand side. So, for example, if we click on this headline, we'll see options to fully customize it on the left-hand side. You can choose to hide it, make changes to the text, color, and font. Now moving on, if we click on the form field, we'll see its options open up on the left. So here we can choose to use custom HTML. We can use only a call to action button, which we can see right here in the preview. We can see its settings at the bottom. However, if you choose to use standard form fields, you'll be able to customize each field separately. So here we have name and email fields, but if you want to, you can always click on add custom field to add your own field. Just add a title, select a type, and then customize your colors and font. I'm going to remove this, and of course you can customize your submit button. You'll see all your customizations in the preview over here. As an example, I'll go ahead and change the background color so you can see. All right, so we're going to move back to our main menu. We'll go to the customization tab. The first option here lets us change the bar position from top to bottom. Depending on what you choose, you can decide to make it sticky or not. By default, the top position is sticky, but you can always turn that off. You can choose to hide the close button, disable the escape key, select sound effects, and configure cookie durations. Now, if we move back, we'll go to the integrations tab. And here we can choose to set up a new integration, or we can keep our leads inside of MailOptin only by toggling this switch and configuring the option. And in my case here, I can select multiple integrations, but I'm going to go ahead and use MailerLite. Next, we can go ahead and choose our email list. In my case, I'm going to use tutorials. And if you want to, you can go ahead and map custom fields, but I'm going to leave this out for this example. Let's go back to the main menu and we'll move on to the next option here, which is after conversion. And this is basically what happens after a lead converts. So you can go ahead and configure this if you need to. Moving on, we have display rules, and this is what determines how and when the opt-in gets triggered. So in our case, we're going to use after X seconds, and we can use this bar to select the number of seconds. I'll use 4 seconds and then activate the rule. All right, so since we're done, I'm going to go ahead and save my changes. And once they're saved, I can then go ahead and turn on the opt-in. All right, so once that is done, we can now close this opt-in builder. And then all we need to do is go ahead and test this out to see if our opt-in works. So we're going to visit our site in a new tab. And here I'm going to go ahead and wait a few seconds and we should see our pop-up. Here it is. So we can go ahead and quickly fill it out. And click on subscribe now. Here's our success message. And by the way, I just want to show you that this is sticky. So as you scroll, it stays in one place. Now we'll go over to MailerLite to see if our lead was captured. We'll go to subscribers. And I'm just going to quickly dismiss this. And let's go ahead and see if we can go to our group. If we scroll down, we'll see tutorials, view group. And our lead is right here. Okay, so this is how you create a notification bar opt-in in WordPress using MailOptin. Thanks for watching and see you next time.